is the J-rod. It's a shooter tip. So we get right here, it's a 4-tip soft wash, pretty much turning your pressure washer into a soft wash system. These are 2 shooter tips that go up to 4 stories high. These are short distance tips, soap. The big holes are always soap, the small holes are always rinse. Stucco on so it does not rip off anything and you don't damage anyone's shit. So. Taking some rust off concrete. Best product I suggest is F9 bark. So when we spray on the F9 bark, we're going to agitate it and it will get it off more efficiently. So this is where the ball valve comes in handy when you're going to be detaching your surface cleaner from your wand. You don't want to have to turn off the water at the spigot or turn off your machine. You're going to save hours on your big jobs.
Where'd you get that?
You can get this on Amazon, Clean Mart.
How much is it?
It's like 50 bucks.
Okay.
The F9 bark. Tighten it up really tight so you can get good. You're taking some rust off concrete. You hook up the downstream to the bucket.
What does it mean by downstreaming?
This is gonna take the chemicals out, spray it out of our wand so we don't have to use a pump up sprayer. We're gonna be downstreaming this, so instead of using a pump up sprayer, we have our downstream, which is a hose that sucks the chemicals out of our 5-gallon bucket full of chemicals right to the pressure washer, and it downstreams it all the way up to the hose to here. We're gonna switch the tip to soap tip, short distance soap tip. turn the machine off? Oh, now you gotta ring. you to know, not me. I already know everything. I can fix my mistakes. You won't notice your mistakes, that's the thing. Looks immaculate. Compared to, watch the before and after video. Oh my lord. It's gonna dry that color, so it's pretty much all out. We got that clean for you on the house. Boom. Mansion complete. Power wash Las Vegas. Say hi. Yeah, that's perfect.